Let's make some Banh Cuon.
We definitely won't be making that ridiculously time-consuming steamed rice paper. See if your local Asian supermarkets have these.
We got bánh ướt mỏng here. You can make bánh cuốn with this.
Place the entire bag in the microwave without opening the package. Oh shit, opened it.
Only hard part about these rice paper sheets is reheating and trying to separate them. You will need to let it cool after you microwave them. They're super silky, bouncy, and thin. You will also need lots of patience separating and rolling these up with the fillings. But I think it's still a lot faster than making them from batter.
Yeah.
Sorry, I forgot the bean sprouts at the store. Fresh cucumbers, steamed and fried pork loaf, some Banh Cuon. Garnish off with mixed Vietnamese mint, fried shallots, a Thai chili, and mixed fish sauce on the side.
This is hard work right here.
Start by dehydrating half a handful of dried black fungus or wood ear mushroom shreds. In a pan, with a bit of cooking oil, add in 4 cloves of garlic, minced, half a white onion, diced, the wood ear mushrooms, minced, 1 pound fatty ground pork, 2 teaspoons sugar, 2 teaspoons chicken granulated, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 2 tablespoons black pepper, half a cup of chopped green onions. Add in half a cup of water and let simmer on low until reduced. This will help to balance out the flavors and keep the minced meat moist.
These steamed rice paper sheets are really good. It's actually a lot better than a lot of Banh Cuon places I've been. Like the texture is bouncy and it's super thin. I had a hard time peeling it off.
If you do get frustrated rolling up the fillings, throw everything in a bowl and just enjoy.